Imagine having a personal assistant available 24/7, one that helps you write, plan, and organize life. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do. 1. Task management. You can ask ChatGPT to organize your day like this. Plan my day with 5 tasks, including breaks, based on this to-do list. It gives you a simple, time-blocked schedule. 2. Writing and emails. Struggling with emails or messages? Just type. Write a polite follow-up email for a job application. ChatGPT drafts it instantly, and you can tweak it before sending. 3. Learning and research. Need quick explanations? Use prompts like, explain quantum physics in simple terms, like I'm 12. It breaks down complex topics so you actually understand them. 4. Meal planning and lifestyle. ChatGPT can even plan your meals or workouts. Try. Create a 3-day vegetarian meal plan with easy recipes. R. Design a 20-minute home workout with no equipment. 5. Creativity boost. Prompts like, give me 5 video ideas for a productivity YouTube channel. R. Write a short bedtime story about a space-traveling cat. It's perfect for brainstorming and fun side projects, and that's it.